Good morning. Today is a beautiful, extremely sunny day. I was in the garden planting some things I got yesterday, and it is almost impossible to stay in the garden with no glasses on. And I think this is the time I have to find my summer hat for gardening. It's a beautiful weather. Oh. And the birds are singing. Though Sergio asked me to have a look in the little garden, there is something exciting there. Oh, yesterday's progress looks like that. We have, Sergio has removed all the tiles. Now we are ready to level this floor and to put the communications in. Yeah, really exciting. But that means now we have another hole, another one here, 2 new holes and lots of bags. So we are barricaded. Okay, and I'm asked to go outside to have a look in the little garden. Oh, buongiorno. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. I can see straight away. Look at that. Ooh, oh, this is really exciting. Well, I can see the butterfly as well. And we have a huge bag of garbage here. But let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, we have some antiques. This is our friend who messaged us saying that he left us something interesting in the little garden. Look at that. We have some few. Can you demonstrate us the? Oh, I can. Look, hold this. Well, we have to. Well, you understand. I think it's beautiful. It's really pretty. I love it. Really love it. Then we have this one. Oh my goodness, no. Okay, I think this one can rest here. I think we have some extra crystals there. Oh, it's pretty. It's really lovely. I like it. Oh, it's beautiful. So this one could be inside the gazebo in the Prosecco corner.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think it will be beautiful. It's heavy. It's extremely heavy. And then, yeah, some extra crystals.
Check on this.
I will. Wait a sec. I think this is the trolley.
Yeah.
The cocktail trolley.
I want to assemble it right now.
Let's do that. Why not? I think the whole box like that can go into the house. Oh.
It's very nice to start new morning with such a gift from friends. Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys.
Brilliant. Thank you. Yeah, I'm really excited about the trolley.
I want to polish it right now.
Let's do. And look at the rose. It's huge. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's play with new things. Okay. Well, Sergio thinks this is really emergency project now. Oh, it is so pretty. I wanted to show you the details on the legs of this little. Look at these wheels. How pretty they are. Look at that. And then look at this. So beautiful. They're so elegant. Oh. This is very strange still life. Oxalic acid, a cup of tea, cup with a tea bag and sunglasses. But the exciting thing is that we have the first boiling water at the house today. That means we can have a proper tea now. Oh, God, thank you so much. This is so good. You are a hero. Sergio has found the only one
socket.
working socket, and not only working socket, but the one that has the right thing, the right plug.
So today under my gloves I have another gloves.
Okay.
And we have little chemical project over here.
Are you sure this is the right spoon for that?
No. But what is the problem?
I know we can afford eating from silver every day just because we because we can buy it cheap at the flea market, but not to dissolve the oxalic acid. I will find you something.
Okay, let's go.
Less exquisite. Okay. So do you want me to have tea or to help you with the acid?
No, actually it's dirty water from...
Oh, it's fine. Is it from my watering thing?
Yeah.
No way, you made me tea from... No way.
Yeah.
No, because it was horse poo before.
Oh.
Kotik,
Fuck. Then I
no way. No way.
Relax, we'll
No,
buy
really,
new one.
you put...
But I need for chemistry anyway.
But why wouldn't you put the clean water?
I don't know why.
So are you
It's a good question.
I'm speechless. Because I'm watering my plants with horse poo compote.
I'm glad you never tasted it.
I am speechless. Well, are you sure you are able to do this chemistry thing? Because so far you have done two silly things. You took the silver spoon and you took the horse poo water and made me tea.
You're asking too many questions.
Too many, okay. No questions asked. Well, it doesn't smell, this tea. I think it's fine.
Anyway, it's boiled horse poo.
Yeah.
It's not dangerous.
No one ever died from a little bit of horse poo. Oh, I can hear some noise coming from the bathroom. And this is our tea station now. This is the most, well, exciting and horrible sight. It's too bad and good at the same time. Good thing is we have electricity and we can boil the water and we actually can do things, not only have tea and eat, but we can dissolve things we need to dissolve in warm water. That's brilliant. So it's a good thing. And Kotik, I must admit, this is a really charming tea station.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Show me the result on the
Let's go.
ceiling. Because Sergio has applied the first coat of acid on the wood. Oh, thank you. And by the way, look at that. Wait a second. Oh, these are the wall lights I got yesterday at the flea market. It's a couple, and 30 euros for couple of wall lights. I think it's brilliant. And the good thing is...
It will be switching.
Yeah. I have
To turn all of them.
Yeah, and oh, it's beautiful, and it already has a lamp in, and it doesn't need any rewiring. It's all in good condition, so it's a good thing. I'm really pleased, though I'm not sure it's gonna be on this place. It might be on that wall. It's too big for this place, so we will see where we hang it. But let's have a look at the ceiling. This is ridiculous. Okay, in the little bedroom. Oh, it is, well, I don't know, it looks much lighter.
Much lighter. Even
wow,
a layer of salt we need to wash after. But anyway, it's much lighter.
It is. I love it. I love it so much. How about we lock the door so no one can disturb us, and we continue working here. Sergio will be applying the acid, but look the difference. You can see the difference straight away. I love it so much.
Yeah, and it's just first apply of acid.
Yeah, I have to wash it off. Yeah, I will do that next week, starting from Monday. So if you apply the acid on the whole thing and then I can wash it off, that will be brilliant.
Yeah.
And what I will be doing, I will try to apply the first coat of the mixture I was recommended onto this wall to see actually how the mixture behaves and what kind of result we have at the end. I think this is really exciting, so I will be doing this. And we do need some snacks. Oh, excuse me. I love this tree so much, though I think it needs more sun, so I'm transporting it to that terrace. But first I need to find the right pot. We sat in the garden for some time with our friends and it was so lovely. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. It's just the perfect time. Look how pretty it is. We have some sunshine there. And today we have first tulips. Look at that. Actually, these are much prettier than I thought they would be. I got those in the supermarket, just 4 of them, or 5 they were. But they're so pretty. Look at that. And then we've got the first bud on this magnolia starting to open. Look at the size of it. It's huge. It is so huge. Look. Sergey is applying the acid and we think the result will be beautiful. We can already see the difference, and I will try now. Right now I'm preparing my working place here. I'm scraping all the little drops of the cement, and I will try to apply just little corner. I will mix 1 bag of the tile glue and I will try to apply it to the wall to see what's gonna happen. But first I have to prepare the working area. I must tell you, I'm extremely excited. It is working. It looks so good. Oh, okay, I will film for you. I've done just a few of those. I put like that, clunk, clunk, and oh, it looks so good. It looks amazing. Just look at that. Look at this corner. It's beautiful. This is the most beautiful corner in the entire house. I can't believe it is really smooth and nice and it sticks to the wall. Oh, look at that. I mean, look at that. Well, it will be, I will apply 1 coat and then maybe another one and then another layer coat, and then I will sand it and then I will blast it. But I mean, it works. It sticks to the wall and it is smooth and nice. Oh, now I will continue with the whole bucket. Hopefully it will be enough. I don't think for the whole wall, but maybe for the half. Ooh, Oh, Kochik, are you happy?
Yay!
Yes.
Great!
Great. I wouldn't imagine the result being that good straight away. Okay, okay, and continuing now.
To make your wife happy.
What? What?
How to make my wife happy.
Yes, exactly.
Just buy her 10 bucks of plaster and leave her alone.
Yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow and the whole week because I will be on my own plastering with nice music, jazzy thing, and oh, I can't believe this is actually the day when the holes are being properly covered. And wow, look at that. I have no idea if I'm doing it like right or wrong, but it works, so I don't care.
In any case, I'm always ready to demolish it.
No.
Right to the rocks.
Oh, it is so smooth. Oh. My wall. Sergey has made another hole in the wall. And it was huge.
It was this metal part.
It's like when I'm covering everything and I'm about to be like, I'm about to make it nice, there is a new hole in the wall. Thanks God I just put garbage in. Basically, I just put the piece of garbage in and I glued it. But no one's gonna know. How are they gonna know?
Probably it's exact the way how this building was made.
Yeah, and there is not a hook, but can you take it
Oh,
out?
wow, I haven't noticed it.
Please, really careful. Don't make another
course.
1 meter hole.
Yes, darling.
And then there are another things.
I'm ready.
Can you remove those without making enormous hole in the wall, please?
Yeah.
Good.
1 sec.
Look at that. Look at the whole wall, Kotik. It's amazing. I have just tiny little bits left, and I'm finishing this one, and we're gonna go outside to have a look at the sunset because
Yeah,
sunset
let's
is
go.
just beautiful. Okay, I'm doing this one, and we are going to have a look at the sunset.
much does it cost?
The bag?
Yeah, one bag like this.
Like €6?
Yes.
Yeah. That's why I told you.
Oh, this wall, it was just one bag?
Yeah. I love this stuff.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I love it. I will plaster the whole house.
Yeah.
You cannot imagine how happy I am about that plastering thing. It's just so good, Kojic. And we went outside to have a look at the sunset. We are a little bit late for the sunset, but still, just really pretty. We have some beautiful rays of sunshine there. Look at that. Oh. I think it is a huge success with our wall, and the technique of the product, it looks so good. Just look at that. Though this is like first coat, I will apply another really thin one and then I will sand it off, so it will be like really smooth. But so far the result is amazing. Look at that. Oh, it is incredibly good. I can't believe it. I would say it is too good to be true, and it is so easy to work with the product. And well, I can't wait for tomorrow to come back and continue with this thing. Ooh, I think by the end of this week, this room will be transformed. It will be absolutely amazing. I think this is another wall. I think this is my tomorrow's project. I think, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Oh, I love it so much. So much. Look at that. I still have to work on the corner, but it will be fine. This is just the first coat. It will all be just fine. Yeah. Okay, I already cleaned all my tools. They're nice and clean. Look at that. I've been really good girl. And I will be going home now. Sergey is already left. He's cycling back home. And actually, what he has done with the wood is amazing. Also, I will have a better look tomorrow when it's all really dried. But we can see it's already so much lighter than it used to be, which is amazing. I will have to wash all the wood later with some soap to remove the rest of the acid. But I think it's gonna be just beautiful. Beautiful. It is 8 o'clock. The church bell was just ringing just now. And look how light it is. I mean, still I could stay here and work a little bit longer in the garden, but I have to go home. Sergey is probably already home and waiting me with dinner, which is really kind of him. But you know, I don't want to leave. I would stay here at all time. Look at this cloud. It's like a huge monster. Oh. It is really pretty and it smells like spring. It is beautiful. Oh, I'm so pleased with the result in a little bedroom. It's just so good. To be honest, I was so scared of those walls because I've never done it before, and it's probably not really right what I'm doing, but that was recommended me and it works. It makes the job so, and it is quite easy and the result is amazing. But to be honest, I was so scared of those walls. They're too crumbly. I mean, it's like a nightmare. Everywhere you touch, everything just crumbles and just flakes off, and then the old paint, because we can't really apply much stuff on the old paint, and the tile glue works perfect because it just sticks and it's smooth. Oh, it is so good. I'm so pleased, and now I'm just obsessed. I don't want to go home. I would stay this evening a little bit later and I would use the other bag I have, but now I have to go home and being a good girl, and I will have a really good sleep. I have to edit videos now when it is really light till late evening. I'm going home really late, and then I'm late editing and uploading, so there might be changes in my timing when I pause the video, so sorry for that. It will be more or less like when it's uploaded, it will be published, probably while I'm sleeping or while I'm having my breakfast next day, so sorry for that. But that means if you subscribe, no, I won't do that. But if you do subscribe and hit the bell, the little bell thing, you will be notified when the video is uploaded. So yeah, and I don't know, these are mostly the all news for today, and you can probably guess how excited I will be during the next week. Plastering non-stop. Yeah, and oh, this is something really good. The house looks just lovely. You remember they were like really sad looking things a couple months ago, and then I deadheaded them and they came back to life. Look at that. And then yesterday I got this beautiful thing. I think I like this better than geranium for the front door, for the entrance. It is really lovely. And then, oh, remember my baby tiny little creeping fig? So here it is. It is definitely alive, looking happy, like really nice and green, but it didn't stick to the wall yet. So let's hope for the best. And then I also got creeping geranium, and I put it here on this little window sill. And there is another one, the one I can see from the little bedroom here. Oh, look at my nice and shiny and clean window. Oh, I'm really proud of myself. And then we will have like really nice and fluffy geranium here for this summer. I hope all of you had a really good weekend, and I wish you a very good and productive week. And I see you tomorrow. Bye!